That was good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. There was one thing I forgot though. I didn't talk in this episode as I was cooking, so I'm going to have to do it again with a voiceover. Stay tuned, guys and girls. I decided to use these nice whiting that I caught the other day. I fillet them, going to grill them onto the hot plate, marinated in some sort of curry powder I made up with some veggies from the garden. I start off with some plain flour, ground turmeric, ground coriander seeds, a bit of salt, mix it into the dried powdered mixture. I was going to make a wet curry but decided to do a dry one, just something different. I always like to experiment a bit in the kitchen. I'm going to throw in some nice chopped up fresh parsley from the garden, and then we get the hot plate ready. Keep it nice and warm, a bit of olive oil, and oh no, we need our key ingredients. Look at that. What is he? He's a big one. Big one. Oh, two. So I got a. Oh, he's a nice one. Yeah, look at this coming nice. Thick and fast. No, lovely. That's not that big. Ho, 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 ho. Woo! So after the fishing session, I quickly ran back home, got the whiting, scaled them, gutted them, and now I'm going to fillet them. Very sharp knife, put it right along the backbone there. Trim off the excess bones around the rib cage, like I'm going to show you right now. Lovely. There's the fillets all ready to be marinated. Bit of salt to season up a bit, and then we're going to mix up that mixture we prepared before, and we're going to put our fillets in them and lightly dust them. We want to get as much of that mixture on top, but also not too much, otherwise it will become too dry. With the hot plate going, a bit of more olive oil. I've got one little trick I want to show you. Again, I just made it up. You get some garlic pieces sliced up, and we're going to put it on the hot grill or plate and just rub it on to the hot plate. That's going to infuse the oil with the garlic flavour. Now we throw in the fillets. Make sure the hot plate is hot, and you don't need long to cook this recipe. It won't stick because it's got that flour on it. And in the meantime, while that's warming up, go into the garden, pick up some a handful of these nice beautiful snap beans, and I always love the zucchinis fresh from the garden, nice crispy firm, beautiful. We'll chop them up, throw them onto the grill after we've made sure we turn these whiting fillets over, and just look at that, and that is fantastic. Yummy. Be gentle because the flesh is quite delicate. You don't want it to break up. Look at that. There's the zucchini I was talking about before. Yummo. Throw in a bit more olive oil if you think it's gonna. If you need a bit more moisture. Beans as well. This won't take too long to cook. Stir it up. Toss it up. Bit of salt. When you reckon it's ready, put them on the plate, and look at that. 5-star dish, seafood from Dom's Fishing Adventures Backyard Blitz Kitchen episode. Right, so here's the taste test. You got to try this. Whiting fillets, lightly dusted in flour, turmeric, and coriander. Phew. With some. Thanks, Mom.
Salud. Really nice. Really soft white flesh. This whiting's fantastic. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time.